Hi everyone, hi Mida, my name is Divya Shahini and I'm currently doing Bachelor Investment Management. So as for our presentation, for the introduction part, I'm going to explain. First of all, we're going to look about the business name and also the logo. So basically our business name, we chosen a moisturizer product. So therefore our business name is Blossom Moisturizer and also known as a BM Enterprise. So BM is stand for Blossom Moisturizer. So as for the second part, you can see the location and also the nature of business as our second slide. So basically our Blossom Moisturizer is a skincare product. It's a moisturizer product where humans and also men can use. So it was established in 2021 and our business is located at Mid Valley KL. So everyone can contact us during our personal phone number and also an fax number. And also our operating hours will be Monday to Sunday 9 a.m. until 6 p.m. We also accept the online transfer as well for those who are not having cash by hand. And also we have several services available in our outlet as well. So moving to the third slide, which is vision and mission of a business. So basically a vision of our business is to create a beautiful world, and also our mission is Blossom Moisturizer provide timely service and quality products. We look to empower and inspire people through beauty and unlimitedly help your products and brand do the same magic as well. Moving to the fourth slide, which is the detail of business, product and services. As for our product, Blossom is a trusted brand that offers completely range of antibacterial products to promote a healthy hygienic lifestyle for the whole family. So Blossom stands beside that, Blossom also has been working to make beauty of a source confidence, not anxiety. Beauty is not defined by shape, size, colors, entirety unique real. So we invite all of the humans to be experience our beauty moisturizer on their own terms by engaging them with product that deliver superior care, whereby they can get a glowing skin, healthy skin care and so on. We care about all women, female identifying and non-binary people. So we want them to be defined beauty standard by help everyone experience beauty on body image positively. So therefore we care about the future generation, helping girls to build a positive self-esteem. So that the purpose of we create this moisturizer is to enhance and empower the beauty of their every girls. So in addition, look at the services what we are providing to our customers. First of all, we provided an online purchase whereby people who are out of country and whoever not unable to attend our outlet, they can purchase from online. And also sometimes on the festival seasons we also giving a sales promotion as well to our customers. And sometimes we are going to through the online TikTok platform, Instagram platform as live, and then we are giving promotion as well. So in this modern era, in this online platform, it will be more helpful to our consumers. They can save their energy as they can purchase our product whenever they are. And also we are providing a delivery sale promotion, and also we will deliver by hand to our customers who are requesting to us personally. So moving, what are the benefit of our moisturizer is to prevent our skin from a dry off, whether it's cold weather or the frosted weather. And also these environmental factors that can dry our skin, so our moisturizer will help to enhance and brighten the skin as well. And besides that, face moisturizer will help to skin barriers from irritation, some of them as allergy due to some food. So our moisturizer free for allergic and also sensitive skin, it will be giving a healthy and glowing skin as well. So moving to the fifth slide, which is organization and structure of business. As for our business, the founder is Miss Divya Shaini, me, and then the general manager will be Miss Maleka, the finance manager is Miss Lorena, sales and marketing manager Miss Parvina, and also purchasing manager is Mr. Khalid. So these are the persons who involved in our organization structure as well, and these are the main person in our business as well. So now I'm passing to my friend. Thank you.
Good evening to Madam. My name is Parvina and my metric number will be 0120230230. 21,331. So my part will be part 2, which is budgeting policy and projection. So the part of let me go through the forecast sale for the July 2023 until December 2023 as follow below. So the figure have been stated here. For July will be 285,000, and for the August will be 198,000, September 250,000, and for the October is 280,000. Therefore, for November is 320,000. And for the end of the month is for December, which is 287,500. So let me go with the next, which is for our cash budgeting. So for the beginning of this cash budgeting, we will be completing for the month of October, November, and December. So opening cash balance for expected to be is 10,000. So here we have two types of patterns of collection, which is it's been estimated that 80% sale on the month of promotion, which will be for the month, na? And after 1 month following sale, which will be 20%. So let's go for the calculation part. Okay, this is for the credit sale. So when according to the credit sale, we go by flow. So for the July month is 285,000. So when it's come to the 80% for the August and 20% for the September. So when we calculate 285,000 times with the 80%, which will be 228,000. And for September is 20%, which will be 57,000. And we referred to the chart earlier, and for the August will be 198,000, and for the 80% the month of September, which will be 158,400, and for the October is 20% will be 39,600, and for the September, according to the chart earlier was 250,000, so 80% is for the October is 200,000, and for the November 20% is will be 50,000. Followed by the month of October is 280,000 according to the chart. So 80% of the month of November, so it will be calculated 280,000 times with 80%. So which will be 224,000. And for the December will be 20%, so it will be 56,000. November is 320,000. So according to the December, 80% will be 256,000. And same goes for the January, also 20%. So 320,000, you need to be times with the 20%, which will be 64,000. And for December is the amount is 287,500. So need to be times with the 80% to get the January amount, which is will be 230,000. And therefore, for the February, 20% will be 57,500. Actually, if you want to, actually, it's not really necessary for us to calculate for the January, February, and followed by the month. But however, to have a clear picture, it's better for us to just calculate it and to ensure it will be tally. So when we calculate for that, we can have a look here for the month of sale 80%. So it's 80% for the month of October. So we have to go back again to the credit sale. So look for 80% of 80% is here below here. 80% is 200,000. So we need to key in 200,000. It's been keyed here. And after 1 month following sale is 20%. So we have to go back again for the credit sale. Look for October 20%, which is will be 39,600. So here we need to key in back 39,600. So according to followed by the rental value of and collection policy, according to the report. So the rental payment will be 2,500. So we have to key in here 2,500. So the total cash receipt for the part for the October, we have to add on 200,000. You need to add on 200,000 plus with 39,600 plus with 2,500. So need to be you need to be plus 1 second, 200,000 plus with 39,200 thousand plus 39,600, 2,500. So which will be, it will be 242,100. So next we have to go for the following month, which will be for November. We have to look for month of sale of 80%. Back to the slide again. We have to go for the credit sale. So for November, 80% will be 224,000. So we have to key in 224,000 here. And for the after a month of following sales, 20%, we have to look back again. For the credit sale, 20% for the November, which will be 50,000. So we have to key in the 50,000. Plus with the rental permits will be 2,500. So we have to add on for the total of cash receipt for the month of November, which will be 224,000 plus with 50,000 plus with 2,500. So you will be getting 276,500. And followed by the last part, which will be for the last month, is for the December. So 80%, you have to look for the 80% of December, which will be 256,000. Need to key in at the month of sale 80% in December, 256,000. And followed by the next is after 1 month following sale, 20%. So you need to go back again for the slide credit sale. So 20%, which will be 56,000. So need to key in 56,000. So back again, there is of investment. Okay. For the investment of this business, in our company for Blossom Moisturizer Enterprise, actually there is some investment from Mary Kay Syndrome Berhad. They've been invest dividend of 85,000. So the investment was in return estimated was 6.9%. So from the 85,000, you need to times with 6.9% of investment in return. So you will be getting estimated will be 586 sorry 500 sorry 5,865. Okay, so yep, that's the in return in December. So you need to be key in here. So let me calculate back again. Times with 6.9%. Yep, 5,865. So the rental is 2,500. And you need to add on all the receipt of the month of December, 256,000 plus with 56,000 plus with 5,865 with 2,500. So this will be for the month of December. So for the part of the part of the October month, the total cash available. So we need to plus with the opening cash balance together with the total cash receipts, which will be 10,000. You need to plus with 242,100. So you will be getting to 152,100. So followed by the following month for the total cash available, I will come back again after my another team member will be explained for the payment part. So actually I will be representing one of my team member which we have been with her. So I will explain that part. Okay, well, back again. I will be continue the part of depreciations part. So after my another team member settle.
Hi guys, my name is Clarison. Today I would like to present about the budget purchase. Monthly budget purchase for Blossom Moisturizers is between 45% from the monthly sale. July RM 128 250, August RM 8900, September RM 112 500, October RM 126,000, November RM 144,000, December RM 129 375. Okay, now we're going to see three patterns of settlement. The purchases payment will be made in three ways of installment. The first installment of cash purchase will be 50% from the particular total amount of the first payment, followed by second installment payment 35% in the next following month through credit sale, and with the 50% followed with the next 2 months. Okay, Now we're going to see 5 types of monthly business expenses. First is rent. Blossom Moisturizer Company as a physical office or manufacturing space, they will likely have to pay rent on a monthly basis. The payment policy for rent will depend on the terms of the lease agreement. Some landlords may require a security deposit of first and last month rent upfront, while others may allow monthly payments, so the amount of the rent will be 6,000. Second is salary and wages. The amount paid to employees including regular and overtime wages as well as payroll taxes and benefits. This can be significant expenses for the manufacturer company with a large workforce. The amount of salaries and wages will be range from Rm 10,000 to Rm 20,000 per month. Third is utility bills. Blossom Moisturizer Company will have to pay for utilities such as electricity, water, and internet service on a monthly basis. The payment policy for the utility bill will depend on the service provider. Some providers may allow for the automatic monthly payments while others may require a manual payment each month. So at the end we need to pay for utility is Rm 480. Fourth is raw material and supplies. Blossom Moisturizer Company will have to purchase a raw material and supplies on a regular basis. The payment policy for these expenses will depend on the suppliers. Some suppliers may offer credit terms or payment plans while others may require payment upfront. So the amount of purchasing raw material and supplies will be range from 200,000 to Rm 400,000 per month. And the last is marketing and advertising expenses. Blossom Moisturizer Company may have ongoing marketing and advertising expenses such as social media management, paid advertising, or influencer partnership. The payment policy for these expenses will depend on the terms of the contract or agreement. Some may require upfront payment, while others may allow for the payment after the work is completed. So at the last, the payment for the marketing and advertising are the just Rm 4,000 for each month. Now we're going to see a business investment part. Our Blossom Moisturizers enterprise is invested in Mary Kay Central Berhad. The investment is Rm 85,000 to get a dividend. Therefore, the investment was in return estimate 6.9%, which will be 5,520 ringgit, and this will be receivable in December 2023. And second one is depreciation expenses of non-current assets. The depreciation expenses will be a machinery and equipments as electronic device, projector, fax machinery, and when which is considered as a fixed asset in our company that can be included to depreciations. For the depreciations of machinery will be a 40,000 for per month, and depreciation for van will be a 8,000 per month. Therefore, the total of depreciation expenses will be a 48,000.
Okay, well, back again. I will be continue the part of depreciations part. So after my another team member settle. So next will be describe one of the depreciation of the account of a non-current asset in our company. So whereby the depreciation of machine will be 40,000 and for per month, and for depreciation of the van will be 8,000 per month. Therefore, the total of depreciation of expenses will be 48,000. So it will be stated here in our cash budget is 48,000 in October, and followed by November, and same goes to December. And the other part for the utility also, it's been stated also my team member, which will be 1,200 per month. So same goes to October, November, and December. So the total payment for the payment for the credit payment. So we need to plus according to which will be. So 56,250 need to plus with 31,185 plus with 19,237.50 cents, 6,000 for the rental, and production overhead 10,800, other overhead 43,000, and depreciation is 48,000, utilities is 1,200. So the total will be 215,672 ringgit 50 cents. So for the closing balance, so if you want to look at the closing balance, what we need to do is we need to take the amount of total cash available, which is 252,100 ringgit, need to be minus with the total payment, which is the part is 215,672 ringgit 50 cent. So you will be getting 36,427 ringgit 50 cent. So that is will be the closing balance for the month of October, and followed by the November month. So you need to take the amount of the closing balance in October, which is 36,427 ringgit 50 cent, and you need to be as a opening cash balance in the month of November. So when you see here, you can have a look. So the amount will be 36,000 of the cash opening balance on the November, 36,042 427.50 cent. So I have been explained accordingly for the part B, and I will be move forward to the payment credit. So the amount will be same the flow also. We need to plus 63,000, and then you have to go with the 1 month of following purchase, which is the 35% is 39,375 ringgit, and followed by the purchase of the month of the 2 month of following purchase is 15%, which is 13,365, and then the rental 6,000, and need to be plus also together with the production overhead is 10,800, and then followed by you need to add on plus again 43,000, plus again with the depreciations of payment 48,000, and then utilities also 1,200. So the amount will be 224,740 ringgit for the credit payment. So when we want to close again the balance, closing balance for the month of November, so what we need to do, we have to follow the same process as what we have done in October. So we need to take the amount of total cash available, 312,927 ringgit 50 cent, need to be minus with total payment, which is 224,740. So you will be getting 88,187 ringgit 50 cent. So that will be the closing balance for the month of November. So followed by the December. So we will be doing the same process again for the December month. So once you have done the closing balance of the amount, which is 88,187 ringgit 50 cent, so it will be as the opening cash balance for the month of December. So when you wanted to open for the December month, opening cash balance is 88,187 ringgit 50 cent. So I have been explained clearly earlier in my previous slide. So the process will be the same. So I will be going through with the credit payment. So if we wanted to, I have already explained also for the depreciations and utilities. So I will be straightforward to the total payment. So for the total payment, we need to add on for the whole process for the credit payment. So for the month of purchase of 50% will be 72,000 in the month of December. So we need to plus with 44,100, which is the 1 month of following purchase, which is 35%. And plus again with 16,875 for the 2 month of following purchase is 15%. And for the rental is 6,000. The production overhead 10,800 for the month of December. So we need to add on also. And then plus again for other overhead is 43,000. And then plus again 48,000, which is a depreciations of amount is 48,000, and then for utilities is 1,200. So you will be getting 241,975. So now will be the same process what we have been done in October, November, and same goes to December. We are going to do the same process, which will be closing balance. So closing balance, we have to take the total cash available for the month of December is 408,552 ringgit 50 cent. We need to minus with the total payment. So which will be 241 ringgit 241,975 ringgit. So you will be getting the amount is 166,577 ringgit 50 cent. So this will be the cash budget of my explanation. So followed by Malika, she will be do the conclusion part. That's all from my hand. Thank you, madam.
Hi, my name is Malika Namazrin. I'm doing the Bachelor International Business. I will cover the conclusion part, which is we believe that our cash budget will be accurate as possible based on our cash budget information given. It appears to be well prepared And the budget takes into account all significant cash inflows and outflows for the months of October to December. We have do the forecast sales of the month and monthly budget purchase. We set as a 45% of the sales every each of the month. So the first we can see here the October monthly budget purchase 45% of the sale is 126,000 and followed by November is 144,000 and the last one is 129,000 to 375. This can be done by analyze the past sale trends, market condition, and customer behavior. And the next one, we also do the estimate expenses and payments. The estimate expenses and payment, which will be the main source of the cash outflow. This can be done by analyze the past expenses trends, current operating expenses. And also we determine the cash balance and create the cash budget. Company have to determine the starting of cash balance. This can be done by review past bank statement, reconciling accounts, and analyze cash on hand. With the estimated of inflows, outflows, and starting cash balance, we need to create the cash budget. This will show you how much cash you expect to have on hand at the end of each period. A cash budget is a financial plan that shows a company's expected cash inflow and outflows over a specific period. It is a crucial tool for business manager. It helps them to manage their company financing and effectively. Here are the 3 reasons I provide for how the cash budget will help in managing for enterprise business. The first reason is cash flow management. A cash budget provides an overview of the companies, which this information manager can develop strategies to manage the cash flow effectively, such as delaying payments or accelerating the collection. This help ensure the company has enough cash to meet obligation and to take advantage of investment opportunities. And the second reason is decision making. A cash budget provides a framework for decision making, and they can prioritize this project based on their expected return and the company ability to finance them. This also help to ensure that the company invests its resources wisely and maximize the return of investment. The third reason is performance evaluation. A cash budget provides a benchmark for evaluating the company financial performance, which is the company actual cash flow to be budgeted amounts. Manager can identify areas of the business and performing well, and those that need improvement, the manager to take corrective action quickly and make adjustment to their business strategies if necessary. In summary, a cash budget is a crucial tool for the business manager to provide information that can help them to manage cash flow effectively, make informed decision, and evaluate their company financial performance. That's it from me. Thank you.